Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Halo theme on guitar. We will begin by understanding the chord structure and identifying the key. Focus on learning the essential open chords first, as they form the backbone of the piece. Practice these shapes slowly, ensuring each note rings out clearly. This foundational step is crucial for building a solid performance, setting you up for success in the next steps. Now, let's dive into the iconic main melody. This part primarily uses notes on the G and D strings, often around the 5th and 7th frets. Pay close attention to your finger placement to ensure each note is clean and sustained. Break the melody into smaller 2 to 4 note phrases. Practice these segments repeatedly until they feel natural and flow smoothly together, building confidence. To add depth, let's explore harmony and dynamics. You can introduce lower bass notes on the A and E strings to complement the melody, creating a fuller sound. Experiment with varying your strumming or picking intensity. A softer touch for some parts and a stronger attack for others will add significant expression. Consider using a clean tone with a touch of reverb for an authentic feel. Consistent practice is key to mastering the Halo theme. Always use a metronome to develop precise timing and rhythm. Recording yourself playing is an excellent way to objectively assess your progress and pinpoint any sections needing more attention. Once comfortable, try performing the entire piece from beginning to end, focusing on seamless transitions and musicality. Enjoy playing this epic theme.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.